We're really excited about Mission Fest Lancaster. We had our first one last year, and we really feel like it's beginning to catch on in the greater Lancaster area.
We'll be leading worship at the conference. The style ranges between Hillsong United, Chris Tomlin, Paul Baloche, Sovereign Grace, so there's a big mix of music and style. And we'll also be leading the concert at the end. It's free. It's going to be probably between 45 minutes and an hour. It'll be a great time where we can gather together as the church and worship our God.
I'm going to use humor, song, crowd interaction, even some games and crowd participation, silly stuff to talk about a very serious subject that is applicable to pretty much everybody who calls themselves a believer. And that is reaching out to non-believers in your natural circles of influence to share the love of Christ with them in a practical way. What does it mean to be a Christian amongst people that do not know Christ? And what young adult doesn't like to text? So we actually have people bring in their cell phones over the course of that evening, text me questions that I'll be able to answer from up on stage, and I'll ask them questions as well that they can respond to. So it'll be an interactive evening.
We really hope to see you there, and we really hope that this is a great time for you to connect with a lot of people, with pastors, with doctors, with exhibitors, camps, you name it, they'll be there.